Hello everybody out there in drone world with your DJIs and all that stuff. Hey, I just want to give you an update on my update. So come to find out, if you do your update for your app for your phone, I hope you don't have a Motorola, because that's all the phones I have are Motorola's, and the app does not work and it is not compatible with Motorola phones. Even if it's Android 12 or the latest version of Android, the app for this drone or for any DJI drone does not work with Motorola. So I was talking with some people, I can't remember their names, but YouTube channels that I watch, other guys that do a lot of videos on the drones, and they were saying, well, just do a rollback on the software for the app for your phone. So I said, well, how you do that? And come to find out, you can go to the DJI website, and it looks like that you can do that you can download that the older version that was working. And just for a little history, I've had this for about a year and the app has been working fine, the one that I had. And I did do some updates earlier, but this last update, the 1.6 point something or another, it just made everything go haywire, and my lights on my remote are going flunky and stuff, and I don't know. So anyway, getting back to the app thing, you know why? I do have the phone number and the address to the website for another tool that they told me to download to update the firmware in the drone and the remote, which I think I did, because it's don't give you no instructions on how to do it. Just turn on the app and plug in your USB cable, class, this is a C, and and renew the firmware. So I did that. But anyway, to make a long story longer, I'm sorry. They took all that stuff off their website, so you can't go to their website and download the older version for your phone, for any kind of phone. So if you like the older version of DJI Fly app, you can't get it. The only way to get it is to call DJI out in California, and I will put the telephone number down below so you can contact them if you're having any issues. And she said supposedly within 48 hours to a week, so that means I'm going to be without my drone, they will email me the file, and then I can upload it to my phone and go back to the older version of the Fly app. So anyway, that's my update. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because I make all kinds of different videos and I think you would like some of them. And you know, thanks again for watching, and you guys have an awesome day, and I'll have another video for you soon and another update on my drone once they give me the file and see if it works. Talk to you later.